boy Mateo, his brother right here. This is the leader of Project 11. This is his temporary build for right now because he's got big plans. So, as of right now, tell me what year it is, kind of car, and anything you want to do to it in the future.
This car, though.
This one, for right now.
2012 Altima, 2.5S. But the only thing I've had for it is just wheels. I'm trying to lower it, but other than that, that's fine.
What do you want to do with the group moving forward? Because it is, you know, your group, even though you don't like to say that.
Yeah.
This is, you know, the thing that you built. So what do you want to do moving into the future and, you know, moving forward, like the things that you want to build this into?
Yeah, I'm just trying to make events right now. Local, like lately, the car community hasn't really been that good, and I just want to help everybody out by having an actual event where we can all come as one, and we can all reunite and be able to get other car enthusiasts out here. So I started off with a little group with some of my friends. We've just been coming up to Tampa, trying to spread the word, so then eventually when it happens, everyone will think of it.
Sounds good. We'll move on to the next one. All right, moving on. This is another member of Project 11. This is Ariel. Ariel's got this dope ass fucking gay bag. All right, inside joke. We have 3 stages of suspension, all right? You have lowering springs is stage 1. That's why we said stage 1. Stage 2 is coilovers, which we'll get to over there. And then we got stage 3 is bag, which he constantly makes jokes about being gay, but we're not gonna talk about it.
Yeah.
So, tell me about, what year is this?
That's a 2012 Scion XB.
And what's done to it so far, and what do you want to do with it in the future?
I mean, it's just got wheels for right now. Those are the first wheels I bought. I'm trying to change my wheel setup, but it's on airlift 3P all the way around. Energy quick release, full exhaust, Duraflex side skirts. I'm just trying to change my wheel setup now. I don't know what I'm about to get. But it's still slow, so.
Appreciate it. I'm not even gonna introduce myself. This right here is a member. This is Carson. Carson's cool as fuck. This is Carson's Civic. Now, tell me what you want to do with your build.
I need to get new wheels. Because these wheels are not nice. And I need to get coils and put it down low.
Stage 2 suspension.
Yeah, stage 2. Stage 2. Graduate.
Yeah, you graduate.
And then, what else? I already did a lot. It's just like changing stuff at that point. I gotta get different headlights because only one high beam works.
Yeah, I
Can't
remember
even
that.
see it.
So he has no daytime lights and only one high beam, and also no fog lights, or the sides work. The very side works, and that's it.
The turn signals.
Yeah, the turn signals.
But,
That's it.
No, the fog lights I bought, put them on, but I never hooked up the wires. I didn't have time that day, and then I just never got to it because I procrastinated. But
What year is your car?
2015.
2015.
Bought it with 35,000 miles on it, so it was real low.
Yeah,
I got like 55 on it now.
It's still a baby, man.
Yeah,
It's
I
still
know.
a baby. You got a lot of time. A lot of time for the build. All right.
But it's slow.
All right, so you got one more member of Project 11. Last person here with a sticker on their car. So, some last one right now. This is Jersey, aka Junior, aka JR. You know him as Jersey. What year is the car?
2012, Acura TSX.
And what's your plans for it in the future besides maybe a respray and a new front bumper?
It's crazy, bro. I was gonna buy those exact wheels.
So what do you want to do in the future, man? Besides wheels? Yeah, too. But so far, you've done pretty much, you know, a lot over here on the dash part. If you can see it, it's a little messy because it's dog, but he does a lot of interior work personally himself, which is pretty dope. What else you want to do though, man? You're on lowering springs, right? Yeah. So he's on stage 1 suspension. I'm gonna make that joke every time. He's on stage 1 suspension. It's pretty clean, man. So, like, what else you want to do? Like, cosmetically wise, engine wise, do you want to boost it? Like,
Yeah, I do want to buy a tune for it. I do want to buy turbo and shit.
because it is a K24, right?
Yeah, K24.
So I mean, it's making a bit of power. You know, it moves, it gets up for, you know, being a big girl.
Oh, yeah.
And then this is my favorite part right here is this dog, man. He brings his dog everywhere.
It's big dog, y'all.
Yeah, you need some new wheels, man. Fix that thing, man. You got a lot of natural camber going on in the back right there. Take a look at this. Take a look at this natural camber. This is not camber arms or nothing. This is him just sitting there at probably like 3 degrees too much.
One that's more camera than the other texture. That one's more camera than this one.
That means you need an alignment, man. Take it by the shop. I'll do it for you.
Nah, I need to buy a camera kit. Cause you can't adjust my bar. It's just a bar.
Oh,
it's nuts.
Oh, so it's like an axle, basically? Oh shit, I didn't know
I
that.
just gotta buy the fucking kit straight.
Learn something new every day, man. All right, appreciate it. Get back to you, brother.
We have a 370Z here, yeah?
Not that loud.
2009, it's a touring. I got that auto rev match transmission. Everybody loved it. See, don't be him. Don't be him. People like that go to hell. All right. I'm lowered on Manzo's lowering springs. I think in the front, Chris always corrects me. He says it's 1.7 in the front.
1.7.
Is it?
Yeah.
All right, yeah.
1
So it
3/4.
might be 1.7 in the front with 1.5 in the back. And I got a 25 millimeter spacer in the front and 32s in the back. I think so, yeah. Obviously, little like accessory shit on the rear bumper. Wait, am I allowed to swear? Mm-hmm. Okay. Just installed this yesterday. It's a top speed axle back.
Yo, is this a 350?
Don't be him either. Okay. Don't be him either. Huh? Don't. Okay. So I got a Motordyne resonated downpipes.
Hey, hold on, man.
Coming from the XB owner.
Peanut, you gotta chill out.
With an ISR Y pipe and then the top speed axle back. Yeah. Before I had the setup with just like OEM, like the OEM end with no muffler, and my flames were like they were pretty like big, but not like how they shoot now. Not like how they shoot now. But the only thing is that it sounds pussy. I fucking hate it. I fucking hate it. But you know, I'm still giving it a week to break in, see what happens, and hopefully it sounds good. You know what I'm saying?
All right, so now what's your plans for the build moving forward into the future?
Bro, honestly, the only thing you might see change is probably the wing tail lights, because my kind of idea with the build was keep it stock, but still make it look fit in, you know, here. I feel like the only thing I'm missing is wheels, but honestly I have to keep for stock purpose, I think, so I'm just gonna keep it like this. I sound good, I'm thick, I shoot flames already, untuned. No, like regular intakes, intakes. Yeah, that's about it.
All right, man. Appreciate it.
Appreciate it. Thank you for having me on Want Media. So we have a 2010 2.0 T Genesis owner, Devin. Very much so, thank you for bringing the car. And joining P11.
Yeah. Perfect, man.
Welcome. We'll get to this sticker in a bit. Okay.
It's already on, man.
I know. It is. Like, we'll show the sticker in a bit.
We didn't do that with car systems.
Okay, let's go this way.
Privilege.
All right, so do you know anything about the suspension? So, all right, it's lowered, okay? It's lowered.
Slant to the ground.
Hold on. It's on stage 2. It's on stage 2 suspension, aka coilovers, all right? It looks like, what do you have? You have Oddhon, probably 3-piece wheels. That's pretty cool. And you're on Federal. So you're on some stickers, man. You're on some sticky grippies, all right? So then we move over.
All right, so fuck me, right?
Yeah. You look at the interior, you obviously have quick release steering wheel. It's clean. It's a manual, that's a plus. It's a bonus, all right? You move towards the back. And my favorite part of the car so far is this right here. It's definitely my favorite That's my favorite piece. So we come into the back, it looks like you probably have test pipes chilling back here, which is probably why you shoot flames and you have no idea. And he's got some blacked out taillights, which you can't see on the interstate in case you didn't know that. But man, it's beautiful. It's a beautiful car, man. And all I gotta say is learn about it. Learn about it. Fucking take it somewhere and figure out what's good with it, because you got a hell of a deal on it. So, but that's Devin, man. It's Devin. It's the new member. It's the new recruit.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Devin 2 times, or whatever you want us to call you. Don't even matter, man.
Draco.
Draco. All right. Yo, the Draco Jenny, man.
Go Jenny, yes sir.
Alright, what's going on, y'all? My name's Gabriel. Most people call me Gabby. Maybe Aquaman. Maybe Jesus. Who fucking knows? Basically, man, I joined Project 11. I'm just a regular member. Turned into, I guess, a co-leader in a way just recently. Because, man, we got a family going on, and the things that we're trying to build, you know, I'm really involved in the team. So, what I drive isn't here right now, which is okay. It's okay. It's nothing special. I drive a 97 Corolla. It's slammed on stage 2 suspension, aka coilovers. It's not the prettiest thing in the world right now. It's still a project build at the moment. Plans is the respray, rims. I'm gonna lower it some more because I can on the coilovers that I have. They're just some off-brand coilovers, man, that I can drop the car like 3.5 inches. It's crazy. So wheels, respray. I'm thinking about boosting it because I do have that Bluetooth turbo that fucking Mateo gave me. So that's gonna be a little project in itself. I think the main thing is, man, is Project 11 is a family. I feel like if anybody asks anybody here what Project 11 is, it's a family. It's not really a team. It's not a club. It's not a group of friends. It's family. Everybody here would, you know, help out anybody else here just to do it, just to be helpful because everybody here, you know, it's a family. You know, there's no other really word for it. Everybody has a love here for everybody else that just, you know, it makes sense. Everybody here has a love for cars and a love for each other. You know, that it just keeps us together, man. And you know, the things that we're gonna do moving forward, you know, big things. It's gonna be nice, man. So, you know, Project 11, big moves.
That's fucking good. We gotta go.
Yo, you cut him off the split thing. Dude, you have like a.
Oh. Yeah, I know what you're talking about.
I said auto.
It's auto.
I said
It's a manual.
I said auto rev match transmission. Okay? It's sport mode. It says
Hey, tell us about it.
you want me to tell you about this car?
Yeah, tell us about it.
Alright, so
It's white.
our fucking audience.
Cut.
Okay.
Alright, so here we got Mateo, who is leader. You want me to dap you up? That's fucking
you gotta reset this.
cut. Like,
Be right back, motherfucker.
Who are you?
Leave me alone.
Are you one of those homeless people who live in downtown?
His wheel gap's like this.
Something like that?
And his side girl was like.
I've been ready for this shit.